It's grown tremendously, and it's changed from a program that just teaches reading and writing to reading and writing and organizational skills, and now Spanish and academic coaching, and it's really become this whole student approach. We're in the 30s now. I mean, I would hope that next year that, maybe we could add 10 students a year and make sure that we're well staffed and we're offering all the programming that we need to be supportive of these students, and be selective with our process and make sure that we're the right fit for each student that we bring on board at North Cross. Well, the opportunity to have this new space is so exciting because we've already outgrown the space that we're in. And so many of our activities require, large muscle movements, and just having the room to just get up and move and learn and grow is really going to be exciting. We can really expand our project design area and have large tables for the students to work and really sort of spread out and just be very creative and wide open. So it's exciting.